This is the Insta-Cube pop-up cube from Lori Whitlock. It comes in a little box. This one says Wish on the front. And you pull out what's ostensibly a flat object. And once it's out of the box completely, it pops into 3D form. I have decorative papers on some of the end panels and birthday motif cutouts on the side panels. And you can see there's a rubber band in there, but it folds flat and just goes back into the envelope and is quite a cute little surprise. I've made several of these, and some I like better than others. I tried some different pattern paper. On this one, I'm not crazy about the light background. It has some cute words, but it was worth trying, and I can keep it as an example for myself. But I do love the mechanism. It's so clever how it folds flat and slips into the envelope and then just pops up. So very, very clever, nice, cute little birthday card, and obviously could be used for lots of other occasions.